If you are looking for a fast network with negligible transactions, TRON, TRX, is the one for you. However, it would be very limiting to focus only on speed and cost. This ecosystem is rich in portals and potential. In fact, the blockchain is only a part of the whole structure. So here we are to delve into everything that is essential to know about TRON. Welcome to Variety Avenue. TRON is a versatile Layer 1 blockchain, capable of performing various tasks. The foundation took place in 2017 by the hand of Justin Sun, a 27-year-old Chinese entrepreneur at the time. It all started with the creation of the TRON Foundation and the actual development of the structure. After that, the testnet was launched in the spring of 2018, accompanied by a dedicated wallet. A few months later, it was finally time for the blockchain, which went live in May. With the chain operational, the TRX crypto, initially an ERC20 token on Ethereum, was moved to TRON. We then moved on to a situation of total independence from other realities. Also in 2018, another important milestone should be noted: the integration with BitTorrent, the popular Web3 service that many have known for some time. What has just been written is not accidental. TRON has the total decentralization of the web as its foundation, so much so that the motto that guides its actions is "Decentralize the web." TRON supports smart contracts, and we are well aware of their potential. At the moment, we don't have many original examples because the technology is still new, often reduced to the usual things: financial apps, NFT platforms, insurance protocols, and much more. TRON uses the features of the blockchain and peer-to-peer (P2P) network technology to eliminate the middleman and allow content creators to sell their work directly to consumers. Software developers use the Solidity programming language to create apps that are hosted on the TRON platform. TRON stands as one of the reference networks for the future. Not only cryptocurrencies but also a structure for the gaming and social world, but pure solution suitable for complex corporate and institutional applications. TRON is a blockchain that employs the delegated proof-of-stake consensus algorithm, a good compromise between security, scalability, and decentralization, with reservations. In fact, DPoS companies have only one big problem: the best validators quickly reach high levels of reputation. This feature rewards them more and more, penalizing decentralization. However, there are some critical issues that prevent its full application. Transactions per second are high, around 2,000. This is not the fastest blockchain, but we are sure that the figure could improve. However, when compared to much slower realities, this number already makes us smile. The gas fee cost is really negligible, which makes TRON an excellent choice for sending and receiving cryptocurrencies even on a daily basis. The structure of the chain is modular. Many core modules that interact with each other, so as to make the general operation more efficient. Among these we find the TRON virtual machine, the brain behind the network applications. The modular solution is being adopted more and more often and has amply demonstrated its potential. TRON's roadmap is solid and compelling. Developed over 10 years, it includes several key milestones. Among the most important, we highlight the Star Trek phase scheduled for the end of 2025, dedicated to the launch of a gaming platform. Although multifunction, TRON shows its propensity towards gaming without too many problems. In December 2021, the network became fully decentralized, meaning that no authority controls its development anymore. Decisions are made by the community thanks to the TRON DAO. The critical point lies right here. Whoever has more funds, has more power. The problem is also widespread on other blockchains of this type. Democratization becomes only theoretical. In practice, we will always encounter a few subjects with a lot of decision-making power. Now let's examine the native coin of the TRON blockchain, TRX. This currency originated as an ERC20 token on Ethereum. After that, when you launched your network, you moved home. TRX TRON does not have a maximum supply. Therefore, that indispensable element to create scarcity in supply is missing. The drop method is simple. A certain amount is mined for each block. There are currently around 92 billion specimens in circulation. There is a variable burn mechanism, based on transactions, which can cause availability to decrease, deflation. Moving on to use cases, the coin is first and foremost the gas fee payment method. The more the TRON blockchain is used, the greater the demand for TRX will be. Furthermore, this crypto is used to pay trading and withdrawal commissions on the Poloniex exchange, exclusively for operations involving the coin itself. TRON is a currency that also carries voting rights in the governance phase, an indispensable element in a reality that puts the community at the center of decision-making. However, we said that the system is unfortunately not democratic. Whoever holds the most coins will have the most power. From one point of view, this is good. A malicious actor would have to buy large quantities of TRX to have any weight. At the same time, however, the little ones don't have much say in the matter. They will be able to vote, of course, but they will hardly be able to impose themselves. TRX can be spent and used as a regular means of payment. Considering the negligible commissions and the speed of the chain, this use case is worth highlighting. Finally, the coin can be staked. In short, the use cases for TRON TRX are not lacking. TRX coin is burned to produce USDD. All this takes place without fixed numbers, so as to guarantee greater protection from manipulative attacks. USDD is the stablecoin of the TRON ecosystem and occupies a respected position in terms of capitalization. The coin has been labeled as dangerous as it is identical to Terra USD. USDD shares with us the fact that it is algorithmic, at least in part. Therefore, peg maintenance is regulated by mechanisms developed specifically for this purpose. However, the big difference lies in the reserves. USDD is an over-collateralized stablecoin, therefore equipped with capital that guarantees full protection. To date, USDD has lost the peg in various circumstances, but always managed to recover it. A certainly positive feature, especially considering that it is a coin born shortly after the collapse of Terra and in a strongly bearish period. Speculation is obviously present, which is quite normal with any digital asset. Therefore, anyone wishing to invest in this crypto should think towards the future, evaluating the entire project with a good fundamental analysis. Only in this way will it be possible to have a clear vision, cleansed of the noise generated by speculative activity. One of the strengths of the TRON ecosystem is the DeFi. Just look at the graph on DeFi Llama to realize the ongoing growth, net of the ups and downs due to the bear market. Just Lend is the protocol dedicated to lending, as well as the absolute number one in terms of capitalization in November 2022. Direct competitor of companies such as AAVE, Compound and Tectonic. Classic place to deposit cryptocurrencies and generate interest, possibly collateralizing them to borrow other coins and tokens. The Sun protocol is designed for stablecoin swapping, income generation and governance of TRON. As a result, the portal offers various features including swaps of stablecoins and other cryptocurrencies, including TRX and BTT. Yield farming, oriented above all to pools between stablecoins but also including many others between coins and tokens. Watch out for impermanent loss. Thanks for getting this far. I remind you to leave a like, comment and share the video to help us bring more content.